Hopefully we get a better look at it. But my friend wanted to come to this thrift shop. My friend wanted to come to this thrift shop. I don't know how to talk slower. Wildlife thrift store since 1997. Alright, in there. But I'm gonna run to the 7-Eleven first because I need a water. I'm dead. Drake Street. See what's so nippy about it. I guess it looks cooler at night. Okay. Your experience in Vancouver?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Why an 8 out of 10?
I just really like the vibe here, you know what I mean?
The chill vibe, yeah.
The vibe, very sterile, very clean.
Okay, I see why.
I really like it. If I got to see the nature, I think I'd definitely just be like, I think 8 out of 10 because I know I'll love the nature part, definitely.
Yeah.
Like, that would definitely just be the perfect thing for me.
Yeah, it was definitely the mixture of the city and the mountains.
Oh,
for me, I give it a 9 out of 10.
oh.
It would have been a 10 out of 10 if they had some more food options. Like, not just Asian cuisine and Mexican and pizza. Like, I really wanted to find some authentic Canadian dishes that were really good. We sell everything but Canada stuff. We even sell turkey dishes.
Turkish golden cafe.
Turkish cafe. Other than that, those were chill. very shaky. Nah, why is moving like that? Oh my god, I am so scared right now. Oh my fucking god. I'm shooketh. Ay Dios.
Kung na nanilisa, ay may manang dili.
Oh my god, nah, I'm done. Another suspension bridge.
Why you keep laughing? So funny this thing is. I've never seen you this way. What do you mean by that? Oh no, you're scared going down the hill. Why is there so many bridges?
Oh, it keeps going. Are you enjoying this?
Why are you going so fast?
That's why they smell so bad. Do you ever see, well, I don't know if they Edward. Hold on, let me show y'all the fit. Cause Edward. Yeah, flex on me. On my idea, flex on me.
I executed.
Yeah, that was definitely my fault.
canyon, girl, and taking my mind to another world, and everything feels right with you. Taking the long way to get you there, a destination to anywhere, and everything feels right with you. It could take us all day, 'cause it's right with you, feeling all so new. Get us on the highway, heading one way, no break. Didn't know that I could feel this way. The years of blank canvas, you pick the backdrop. We can drive to the top until our ears pop, seeing views that I never knew. When I'm with you, it's true. Never looking through the canyon, girl, and taking my mind to another world, and everything feels right with you. Taking the long way to get you there, a destination to anywhere, and everything feels right with you. Feeling right with you, feeling right with you. I think we do it again, 'cause a couple days straight, I don't want it to end. Hit the blacktop, we can talk shop, doesn't even really matter where we end up, because of you. I think you changed my ways, but it's right on time. Turn the corner, pull on over.
Ooh, shower? Okay, so this is a really cool deal. I know I look crazy, but whatever. This is a really cool deal. Each day, I do my best. But yeah, bitch. Each day, I really do my best. But this is hot yoga and fitness. It's a cool little something to do to end the vacation. It's $19 for 3 class. Since this was gonna be like my first and only class, she gave it to me for 19 bucks anyway. So shout out to the assistant in the front. The instructor was very nice, so let me come record a little bit. It's 100 degrees, 38 Celsius, but it feels really good. So far, I don't know how it's gonna feel once I start getting active. But yeah. Cool. Oh my god. That was intense. And it's still going right now. Whoa. I thought it was yoga. It is fitness yoga. And that shit was